Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the wonders of nutrition and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hemp seeds, a complete protein powerhouse that deserves a place in your diet. Hemp seeds, also known as hemp hearts, are the edible seeds of the hemp plant, Cannabis sativa. These tiny seeds are loaded with essential nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. Let's start by discussing the impressive nutritional profile of hemp seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the most notable features of hemp seeds is their high protein content. In fact, hemp seeds are considered a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Hemp seeds are particularly rich in 2 essential amino acids, lysine and methionine. Lysine is important for collagen production, calcium absorption, and immune function, while methionine plays a key role in metabolism and detoxification. Incorporating hemp seeds into your diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle them on top of oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for a nutty flavor and nutritional boost. You can also blend them into smoothies or mix them into baked goods like muffins, pancakes, or bread. Another creative way to enjoy hemp seeds is by making homemade granola bars. Simply mix hemp seeds with oats, nuts, dried fruits, and your favorite sweetener, then press the mixture into a baking dish and bake until golden brown. These homemade granola bars are perfect for a nutritious and convenient snack on the go. Hemp seeds can also be pressed to extract their oil, which is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. You can use hemp seed oil as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or blend it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. And let's not forget about hemp seed hummus. This creamy and flavorful dip is made by blending cooked chickpeas with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and hemp seeds until smooth and creamy. Serve it with fresh vegetables, pita bread, or crackers for a tasty and nutritious snack or appetizer. Hemp seeds can also be used to add a crunchy texture and nutty flavor to savory dishes. Try coating tofu or fish in ground hemp seeds before baking or frying for a delicious and nutritious meal. You can also sprinkle hemp seeds on top of salads, soups, or roasted vegetables for added flavor and crunch. So there you have it, folks, the complete protein powerhouse that is hemp seeds. Whether you're enjoying them in smoothies, salads, granola bars, or savory dishes, hemp seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.